Hey guys, Tommy B here, and I am back once again, this time with a new project for the Mirage. I don't usually put myself on camera like this, but you know, I'm gonna start trying to have to do it because I'm gonna be covering the process of doing the poor man's 4G63 swap. So this is currently what's popping in the Mirage. This is the original engine with a T25 bolted on, a Garrett T25, and there's a few other videos on my YouTube of this setup and how it sounds and all that kind of stuff. You know, to be honest, it's been actually great. If you just want to do a cheap setup, this was not a cheap setup. Everything was kind of done as well as possible for the budget that I had, and you know, it's great for the time being, but realistically I wanted more power, so I just bought a 2.4 litre 4G69 and a Kia Sonata head, and they should basically make together 350 horsepower at the wheels in this. This weighs about 900 kilos, and an Evo 5 onwards manifold, or I'm not sure if it's Evo 4 or Evo 5, should bolt straight onto the new Kia Sonata head. So that's how I'll be making power. Probably run, you know, I don't know, maybe like a T28, you know, whatever an Evo sort of turbo is. I don't know how much bigger than factory I'll go. I sort of wanted to keep it budget, so the whole idea was like budget. So this car's not the greatest, but all the kind of things are there. The big brake kit's in there, the suspension's in there, everything's already in there. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this setup yet. If you're interested in buying it, let me know, and maybe we can come up with a deal. Or I may just sell this car as a whole sort of setup, because it is registered and it is sort of roadworthy to a degree. But yeah, so let me know what you guys reckon, because I am freaking excited. I will be basically mating the 4G69 CH Lancer gearbox to, oh shit, a Hyundai Sonata head. So if we can have a look over here, this is the Myvec single overhead cam head that comes originally with a 4G69, and this is the dual overhead cam from a Hyundai Sonata, and it is basically a direct bolt on onto this block. And yeah, so got to just make sure that that's all good, looks good inside and everything, and yeah, just slap her on, slap the gearbox on, and yeah, the gentleman who sold me all the stuff, he actually gave me a bunch of different spare parts and stuff like that for the Mirage, and you know, including like spare manifolds and all kinds of other stuff. I got this for an absolute steal. Like, I actually got it for a steal. Dual overhead cam head, Myvec head, engine, gearbox, and basically every other part, $400. $400. I'm expecting with this setup probably to make around 400 horsepower. I'm going to put a decomp gasket on it and ARP studs, and possibly do rods and pistons. I may even only just do rods and gap the rings and ACL race bearings. But yeah, it's going to be absolutely wild. In that sense, I think that most should be able to actually do this. So yeah guys, I'm hella excited for this one. Let me know what you reckon, and let me know how much power you think it's going to make. Cheers guys.